Okay, so today we'll be talking about the company, that is the new company today. Okay, we can call it like NeilSen, and here this is all about the position or the requirement we have got is software engineer, and this is for the Bangalore location, and freshers and experienced both can apply here. Package they are saying is up to 6 lakhs, and how to apply, the link will be provided. Okay, you can apply through this particular link which is given here. Okay, I'll be adding this link into the descriptions as well, so from there you can check it out this, and make sure that you will apply as soon as possible, otherwise this particular link will get expired if they have done with the accepting the applications. So this is about NeilSen, how it looks like. I've taken this from the websites. Okay, so when you click on that particular link, it will take you on this particular web page. This is the official website of the company, and this is for the Bangalore location. Full time hybrid is there, so work from home and work from office also would be there, 2 days or 3 days a week. Okay, that way they are managing right now as well. And so you'll have to click on this particular button. So this button will take you on next page where you'll have to put your credentials or enroll for this particular position. Now a very important part, the key skills, what they are exactly looking for. So they are looking either bachelor degree or master degree in computer science, software engineering, or any related field. So they're not restricting double people or electronic people or make people or civil people. Any of the engineering graduate, they can surely apply for this one. Proven example of 2 years. So now if you are if not fresher, so if you're applying as a experience, so they would expect like minimum 2 years of experience basically in the back end, AWS cloud, and testing related thing also you should be aware of, and any other framework like Selenium or database query example, SQL related stuff, they looking for that. So if you are from any background, I mean they are okay with that. So either you from Java thing or you are from Python or any technology, you are experienced one, so you should have all this understanding. Even if you are applying as a fresher, so make sure that you have got good hold on basic skills about Java programming. Then you should have AWS related knowledge, so make sure that you have got created the AWS account, and you have practiced the basic concepts. Look like EC2 thing is there, EC2 is very common in that. Then security groups there, then S3 is there, then RDS services for database connectivity, then we have got Lambda functions, then CloudWatch, then cloud formation, all that thing you should know from the AWS cloud side. Then you should have understanding of Grafana, that is a plus. Good, okay, good to have. So they are kind of monitoring tools, I would say. Grafana and the Prothemus, they are the monitoring tool. If you have got understanding of this as well and your experience, so that will be considered, and chances of getting selection would be more. CI/CD pipeline concepts, if you are aware, like we have got Jenkins, very much popular. There you can deploy and connect with the Git thing, and you can deploy your source code directly, you know, in a smooth way. Continuous integration and continuous delivery they are expecting. And tools, GitLab, Git, all that understanding is good. Apart from that, basic debugging and solving understanding logic development is required. Then good communication is kind of mandatory to have, connect with the cross functional team. Team 1 connect with the team 2 of different functionality, like testing team is different, development team is different, then designing team would be there. So you need to keep connecting with these people always. So that will be kind of advantage to have. Now, what roles and responsibilities ideally you will be carrying out? So your responsibilities majorly would be test to develop deployment, build new test cases in existing, regression testing while refactoring the test automation. So they want someone having good understanding of the testing as well. So the people who work on test as a tester, they also can apply, work as a QA team. So you also can apply data verification, develop SQL queries, extract from the backend databases, perform data consolidations and input data, ensure library management system under test performance is expected. So you should have good knowledge about the SQL commands, SQL queries. You should be able to write the queries. Code quality best practices, other two standard coding standards, nomenclature, best practices, creating package structures, proper project hierarchy, that using the IDEs in an efficient manner. You should be having all those skills. Feedback to maintain high quality. So ready to take the feedback from managers, or maybe peer, or maybe your people or team with whom you are working. Performance optimization, assessment identification of performance bottlenecks. So you should be able to enhance the performance, whether it's a back end or the front end. You should be able to enhance the performance in terms of the response. You should quickly respond, whether it's a back end or front end. It should get to respond as less time as possible. So they're expecting high performance. So you should apply all the best practices and the tools which are available. You should know them and apply in order to have best output or outcome from your assigned a project to you all, that you'll have to take care. Then team collaboration. So follow the best practices and collaborate with the cross functional team. So this we have already discussed, like you'll have to connect with the team 1 to UI team, or development team, or the testing team, or the stakeholders. So you should be able to keep connecting with all those people. That is kind of required. uh, then team to have cohesive and unified approach software development. So ultimately we all focusing on software development life cycle, okay, following the agile methodology. Okay, so people who are not aware of this, so please read about agile methodology, read about SDLC methodology, read about code optimization tools and techniques. Okay, read about what cross functional teams are there. Then security and compliances, like if you work on any banking applications or banking domain, finance domain, so there they look a lot of time about the security concerns, JWT token, then OAuth 2, then Spring Security if you are from the Java. Okay, then SSL, HTTPS protocols, all they expect. So learn about security and compliance in the assistant in the testing backend system under the test to secure the ensure compliance industry. A lot of banking company, they would expect all this. So you'll have to do that. And company standards to application security. Okay, so this is all the requirement was. And so more or less, if I have to configure, like how we can prepare for this. So if you planning to prepare, like you are backend developer, or you are front end developer, or you are full stack developer, or you want to go with this particular thing, so you should know at least Java or Python as a backend. Okay, or if you know mean stack or mun stack, so any of the full stack domain you should be aware of. Then you should have knowledge of SQL databases, or anyone know SQL database also you should be aware of. Then you should have the cloud services like AWS or Azure. and you should know how that works, various services which are coming from this cloud platform. Then some other tools, obviously they'll expect, like Jira is there for kind of dashboard for track your progress related things. Then we have got Git, that is very important. Then for the CI/CD approach, you should have knowledge about the Jenkins. Okay, apart from that, you should follow all standard practices, for security related stuff. Okay, and if you are into Java, so all topics related to Java should be strong. With Python, all related with Java. Then you are dealing with the JavaScript, so all your concepts about Node should be very much strong. So as a fresher level, if you're planning to apply for this, so like any graduate from any domain, any engineering background, whether it's a IT or it's a CS or it's a data engineer or AI, or it's civil side or electronic or electrical. So whatever platform you are, and you are having strong feeling to get into IT industry. So I would recommend that list up all these tools and techniques. Brush up, read them as maximum as possible. And if you have freshers have just pass out, or maybe 2022 or 23 or 24 or 25, I mean you'll get pass into that 25. So keep applying this, and people who lost in between 2021 or during that, and you don't have anything, so get some internship related thing, and try to match with some certifications and all, and try to hit to the companies, accept what package they are getting, and try to get the entry. Once you enter in this, later on you can brush up more and more and practice more and more, and you would get same package and salary related to all packages given to the people who are already there. So I think that is all from my side. So keep apply, and read, prepare, and go ahead for the interviews. All the best. Thank you.